how to download and install Warzone on PC. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Call of Duty Warzone. So if you're ready to jump in and start playing, just stick with me till the end so you don't miss anything. Alright, first step is to open up the Steam app on your PC. If you don't have Steam installed already, just head over to steampowered.com and download it. It's free and only takes a minute to install. Once you're in Steam, go ahead and log into your account. If you're new to Steam, you'll just need to create a free account. Now at the top of the Steam window, go to the search bar and type in Call of Duty Warzone. You'll see it pop up in the search results. Just click on it to go to the game's page. Before accessing, it'll ask for age. Simply enter your birthday and hit View Page. Once you're on the Warzone page, you'll see a big green button that says Play Game. Click on that and Steam will ask you where you want to install it. Choose your drive if you've got multiple ones and then hit Next. It'll begin downloading right away. Now keep in mind, the download size is pretty large, well over 100 gigs, so depending on your internet speed, it might take a while. Just let it do its thing. Once the download is done, Steam will automatically install it for you. After installation is complete, you'll see a play button. Go ahead and click on that and Warzone will launch. The first time you run it, there might be some extra setup like shaders or quick updates, so give it a few minutes to get ready. And that's it. You're now ready to start playing Warzone. If this helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips. I'll catch you guys in the next one.